Your engine needs three things to run: fuel, air, and spark. But what happens if the air supply is restricted? Well, engines can be either naturally aspirated or forced induction, which includes turbocharged and supercharged setups. But no matter the type, every engine relies on an air filter to clean incoming air and keep dirt out. Over time, the filter gets clogged, reducing airflow. That's when you press the gas pedal but don't feel the power. But a clogged air filter isn't the only reason for power loss. Want to know more? Watch the related video.